Example 5, we are looking at a word problem with our parabolas in standard form. And this problem is about the Zhaozhou Bridge in China, and that's the oldest known arch bridge in the world, dating back to 605 AD. You can model the arch with this function y equals negative 0.001075x squared plus 0.131148x, where x and y are both measured in feet. We want to find out how high is the arch above its supports. Well, if I looked at a graph of this function, my graph is going to look something like this. So as far as what this is kind of looking like, right here, I know this end of the bridge is starting at the origin because my c value tells us my y-intercept is 0. There isn't a c value here. My y-intercept is 0. So as far as our diagram goes, it's like this is the ground level here. Okay. We want to find how high the arch is above its supports. So what is the highest our bridge goes? Well, if we're trying to figure out the highest, that means we really need to find this point right here. Find our vertex. Really, this word problem is just kind of a fancy way of saying find the vertex. But to find our vertex, we take negative b over 2a. Negative b is 0.131148 over 2a, which is negative 0.001075. And I will take 2 times negative 0.001075. And get negative 0.00215. Now divide these, negative 0.131148 divided by negative 0.00215. And if I round this, I get 61. So about 61 is the x-coordinate of my vertex. Take the 61 and plug it into my function to figure out the y value. And I can type this straight into my calculator. Negative 0.001075 times 61 squared plus 0.131148 times 61. And if I round this, I get 4. Okay, 61, 4 is my vertex. Let's think about what this means as far as our bridge goes. So 61, 4 is the vertex of our bridge again, which means our y value is 4. The height of our bridge is 4 feet above its supports. The arch is 4 feet above the supports. We could also figure out that the highest point of our bridge is 61 feet along in the horizontal direction, which means if it's 61 feet here and 61 feet here, our bridge is 122 feet long total. And like I mentioned before, basically this problem is just a fancy way of saying find the vertex. But I guess once you find the vertex, we still kind of have to think about what part of the vertex is what we're trying to find and what is the meaning behind our vertex. So that's all we need to do.